Subcribe.
Today we're bringing you the magic microwave!
Ooh, what's that?
Well, instead of explaining, let me show you. So, we have an empty Plants vs. Zombies minifigures blind bag. Basically, it's trash. But, watch what happens when I put this empty blind bag into the magic microwave. We just have to wait until the timer goes off. Tick tock, magic microwave, show us what you got. Oh, it's just about ready. Now this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Yes, we got a brand new Plants vs. Zombies blind bag.
What kind of sorcery is this?
Pretty awesome, right? That's what the magic microwave does. Let's see what minifigure we got. Oop, looks like we need to assemble this, so I'll go ahead and do that. And we got ourselves a snow pea. Nice! And we could really shoot out some snow peas. Let's try it. Ready, aim, fire! Whoa, this thing is powerful. One more time. Fire! Snow pea, you need to stick with me just in case we encounter some zombies.
Do it again!
Alright, let's bring back this empty Num Noms package. Open up the magic microwave, put the empty Num Noms in, set the timer. Now let's just sit back, relax, and watch the magic microwave do its thing.
Oh yeah!
Woo! Thanks for being patient with us. It's almost ready. Oh, it's finished! Let's open the microwave. Did it work? Yeah! Wow! This thing is amazing! We got a brand new Num Noms. Time to open it up. Yum! We got a cupcake num. Say hello to raspberry cream. And let's check out what the nom is. Just by looking at it, looks like a nana or peanut gloss-up. Let's open it up and do a little smell test. Oh yeah, definitely got a banana scent, so this must be nana gloss-up. So this is a pretty delicious combo. It's a raspberry banana cream cupcake.
Ooh, I want one right now!
Me too. We gotta keep going. Magic microwave, show us what you got again. This time, let's just throw in this plain white plastic case and see what comes out. Set the timer. What toy do you think is gonna appear?
I don't know, but it's gonna be something good.
Oh, no way! Hold on, it's not finished yet, but this looks really good. Okay, let's take it out. We got a Hello Kitty Fashions! Wow, good job, Magic Microwave.
You're the best!
Let's see which Hello Kitty we got. Oh, how cute! She's in a little sheep outfit with the pink tutu. Sorry, Hello Kitty, we're gonna squish you around because you're so squishy! Oh, you got some stretchy ears too. Alright, Hello Kitty, I'll see you later. Magic Microwave, you are incredible!
We want to see more!
I'll throw in this pink cart case now and let's see what this microwave cooks up. Ooh, this one's gonna take a while.
It's so gonna be worth it!
What is that? Is that My Little Pony? let's take it out. Yes, we got a My Little Pony Squishy Pops. Oh, check out how small this character is. We got a mini Fluttershy. The figure itself is a bit squishy. And on the bottom they have this suction cup so you can attach them somewhere as well. Pretty neat. Next up. Oh, we don't have to guess what this is gonna turn into. Let's bring back a Minecraft minifigure.
Hopefully not an evil one.
Just a little longer. Yes, it's ready. Woo! We got a fresh Minecraft minifigure. Alright, let's see who it is. Uh-oh. Ah! It's a screaming Enderman! Magic microwave! Why would you do this to us?
This microwave is evil, I tell ya.
Okay, stay calm and we'll run on 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Woof! Well, we learned one thing. This microwave can't control what it brings back. Alright, this time I'll put in this pink case and hopefully we get something prettier.
Magic microwave, don't you even think about bringing back someone evil.
Yes, My Little Pony! Not evil at all. Thank you, Magic Microwave. Let's take it out. And we got a My Little Pony Fashions. Woo! This is like a translucent Fashions. Nice! We got Fluttershy again. Now we have a Pop Squishy Fluttershy and a Fashions Fluttershy. Whoa, I thought the hair was attached to the face, but I guess not. And the ears? Kind of stretchy. Let's check out the wings. Whoa, okay, the wings are super stretchy. I know I keep saying this, but the new My Little Pony Fashions aren't as squishy as the first series. Not a big deal though. Magic Microwave, are you ready for some more? I'm throwing in another one of these pink cases.
It's probably gonna be a My Little Pony thing again.
Oh, you never know. This is the Magic Microwave after all. See? We got something different. Let's take a look. It's a Littlest Pet Shop Fashions! Come on out!
What in the world?
Oh, be nice. This is Sunil Nevla, a banded mongoose. And I know why the Magic Microwave cooked this character up, because this guy is quite the magician.
And apparently he's super squishy and stretchy.
I know, he's pretty fun to play with. Okay, this is too much fun. Let's keep using the Magic Microwave. Since Finding Dory is out in theaters right now, let's try bringing back an empty Finding Dory blind bag. Ooh, I wonder which character it's gonna be. Yes! Let's take it out of the microwave. And here's our brand new Finding Dory blind bag. Hey, Mr. Turtle. Whoa, dude. Mr. Turtle is my father. Call me Crush. I love that line. Good to see you again, Crush. If you guys watch the movie, who's your favorite character? Let's do some more. I have a bunch of trash. This time, let's bring back a DC comic keyring.
Alright, Magic Microwave, don't give us a bad guy.
Crossing my fingers. Woo! Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Oh no, green hair. That's never a good sign.
Quick, call Batman. I don't like this.
Ah! It's Joker! Why so serious?
Did you call Batman?
No, but just stay calm. He'll be gone soon. This magic microwave really likes to scare us.
I don't like it anymore.
Alright, well let's do one more. Let's bring back this Disney Lego minifigure blind bag. Oh, the timer on this is quite long. Alright everyone, just go take a quick break. Okay, hurry back, it's almost ready. Yes, time to take it out. Here's our fresh Disney Lego minifigures, and let's open it up. Here's the character list, and if you watched any of our previous videos, we found quite a few characters already. So let's hope this is a new one. Nice! Don't think we've seen this guy before. I already know who this is.
Don't say it!
Okay, let's assemble the character. Here's the legs. The body. And attach the head. It's one of the characters from Toy Story. It's the little green man from the Pizza Planet. Nice to meet you. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.